Kurganmashzavod, a subsidiary of Rostec Defense conglomerate, has supplied new batch of fighting vehicles to Russian Ministry of Defense, which includes BMP-3 infantry vehicles equipped with additional protection kits, as well as BMD-4 airborne infantry fighting vehicles. French company EOS Technology has unveiled its newest Kamikaze drone, the Veloce 330, capable of reaching speeds up to 400 km per hour. The Veloce 330 features a GPS-independent and jamming-resistant navigation system, as well as it can detect vehicles at a distance of up to 15 km during the day and up to 3 km at night. The U.S. Army tested a remote landmine detect and defuse system featuring a drone and a mortar-equipped land vehicle. The ground obstacle breaching lane neutralizer concept was designed to neutralize a mine from a standoff range, reducing risk for breaching forces. Turkish aerospace industries successfully conducted second test flight of its fifth-generation prototype KAAN. The aircraft completed 14-minute flight at a speed of 230 knots, reaching an altitude of 10,000 feet, marking a significant step towards the long road to production and operational service of this prototype.